This is very confusing to Igbo. Now, imego in Igbo culture is a practice that says that this woman is married. Once they do your imego, you are married. Now, most people now end it at imego. They now do not go further to do ịgba. Now, although imego and ịgba can be done on the same day, it can be done the same day. But most people will do imego and they will not do ịgba. But what now comes back to it you or its people, people that not do this enough is that in Igbo culture, if a woman's imego was done without her ịgba, that could exist for a while. But when her children, her daughters and her sons are about to marry, this is when this culture will now come back to them. Because what happens here is that before her children would get married or do their own ịgba, they must go back and do their mother's ịgba. So even if you did imego, just imego, you're married, yes, but there is a but. When your children want to marry, they will go back and do ịgba. When they now do your own ịgba, they can now go and do their own ịgba. And even if you're dead, you're the mother, you're no longer alive, and they've not done your own ịgba, before they bury you, they will go and do your ịgba. They will go and do your ịgba and marry you properly before they bury you. And even if they not do it and you're dead, your children will not still marry without performing your own traditional rite of ịgba. So Igbo culture can be tricky, and it's sort of waits for you somewhere at the end of the day. So if you only did imego and ịgba, please go, just rush, go and do it, because it's going to wait for your children at the end of the day, and they must do it. Now, I don't know if this practice is it's a general thing, but I'm 100% sure that if you're from most communities in Anambra, like Newi, it's a must. It is 100% must. You have to go back and do the ịgba of your mother before they do the ịgba of your children, so you don't escape continental culture.